when should I cut back my Pampas grass? Okay, what do you think about that?
Well, we did already discuss. Yes, I like the sound, the movement.
Right, exactly.
Pampas grass is one of the very ones that I often see birds take cover in.
Oh, okay.
It's
protection. So large.
Yeah. The cold winter winds, it's good insulation and protection. Other critters, yes, can be in there as well. I don't cut anything down like that until late winter, as you said. Because I want to enjoy it. Who wants to look at shorn things all winter long?
Right.
And I do the same thing with my shrubs. I'm going to wait till later in the winter to prune because I feel like just providing some protection and perhaps the remnants of, I call the ghosts of summer past, even the old faded blooms on hydrangea, for example.
Sure, exactly.
You know, there's some beautiful things in the winter if you look for them, not as colorful, but the shapes and the textures. And so I would not cut it down until February, maybe in Memphis.
Yeah. Maybe in Memphis, about February.
Because it'll start putting up new growth pretty early in the side where it's protection. And I waited too late sometimes to cut grasses back. I cut off those graceful little tips. So I often March, at least by March, but I'd say February would be great.
Yeah, the later you wait, the reduced amount of time you have with that stark cut back appearance. And you'll have some new growth coming up.
Okay.
Yeah.
And again, you tie it up, right?
Tie it up, yeah.
I like that, okay.
Pampas will hurt you.
It's quite big, yeah. It'll cut you up.
Yeah, real sharp. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.